Guys, so I thought today I would do an unboxing video. I received 2 orders that I had placed. I don't remember what I ordered, to be honest with you, so we're gonna find out together. So this is box number 1, and I'm gonna kind of ruin a little bit of the surprise. It's books. They're all gonna be books, but exactly what books, I don't remember. So this one is from Bound to Stay Found. So, oh, they're like all wrapped in plastic too. Please inspect, oh, marked books cannot, okay. So we just got a little bit of instructions on how to return the books. Ooh, fancy. All right, so these are, ooh, like legit wrapped in plastic. Okay, I can't. I'm gonna have to okay. Ooh, all right. So it looks like this is my order of graphic novels. We have Making Friends, which I will do a book talk on. I actually read this one and really liked it, and I figured that you guys would like it too. So Making Friends. Looks like we got 2 copies of the new Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Sorry, Party Raptor. There's one. This is really hard to open. Okay. 1, 2. A packing list. Okay. Ooh. Sea Sirens. I didn't read this one, but it looked interesting and came very highly recommended. Ooh, okay, so I bought some replacement copies of Amulet. So we have Amulet book 7, Amulet book 5, Amulet book 4, Amulet book 8. Ooh, okay. We've got New Kid. So this one is our, it was the Newbery Award winner for this year. It is also a Coretta Scott King winner. I haven't read it yet, but it is the very first graphic novel to win a Newbery Award. So I'm very excited to read this one. I've heard great things about it. I bought a replacement of Bone, the first one out from Boneville, because our first copy fell apart. Okay, so we've got another copy of The Witch Boy, because that one seems to be very popular and it never comes back. Here's our replacement, Amulet book 2, Amulet book 1, Amulet book 6, and Amulet book 3. I thought I ordered more. Let's see. Oh, maybe I didn't. Nope, I guess I didn't. I thought I ordered the new Witch Boy book, but maybe that one was the one that they didn't have in yet. All right, so I will get these stamped, and I'll have to change the call number, because right now they're 741.5, which in the Dewey Decimal System is where graphic novels should be, but we organize ours a little bit differently. So that's what we have. That's our unboxing video, which is not as interesting as, I mean, I guess we're excited for new books. So, all right, okay, bye.